Welcome guys, this is GK DIY Crafters. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to show you how I use mirror reflective paper to turn out this chandelier kind of. I bought them quite a while in Amazon and they really needed improvement. So this is the paper I used. I ordered it from Amazon, and then I just cut a stripe of it. Then I cut the circle. I bought a circle cutter. You can use scissors, you can use a compass to trace the circle. So I undo them one by one. It's quite a long job, but you have to take them one by one, and then you will cut the paper into circles. Then you cut the paper with this. This is called the perfect circle cutter, or you can use scissors if you want. And then use a needle to poke the hole where we need the hole where you need to connect them. So this was the process I used. So just watch the process and you see how the outcome came out. Very beautiful. And please subscribe for me, and thank you for your support. So guys, this is how it came out. Very nice, very beautiful. I have a few more to do. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe please and support. Thank you so much. Bye.